Maryland, Frederick and Northwest Montgomery, and the following counties. In Virginia, Eastern Loudoun, Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, and Western Loudoun. Excessive heat warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. this evening. Heat index values around 110 degrees. Temperatures mid to upper 90s. Impacts: high risk of heat stroke or other heat-related illness for those without air conditioning or those outdoors for any extended period. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible and drink plenty of water. Never leave a pet or child in a parked car. Interior temperatures will rapidly exceed 130 degrees. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. An excessive heat warning means that a prolonged period of dangerously high temperatures will occur. The combination of extreme temperatures and high humidity will create a dangerous situation in which heat illnesses are expected. Check in on relatives and neighbors. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Maryland, Calvert, Charles and St. Mary's, and the following counties, in Virginia, Clark, Culpeper, King George, Madison, Northern Fauquier, Orange, Rappahannock, Southern Fauquier, Spotsylvania, Stafford and Warren, and Jefferson, West Virginia. Heat advisory remains in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Heat index values 105 to 109 degrees. Temperatures mid to upper 90s. Impacts: risk of heat-related illness for those without air conditioning or those outdoors for an extended period. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible and drink plenty of water. Never leave a pet or child in a parked car. Interior temperatures will rapidly exceed 130 degrees. A heat advisory means that a period of high temperatures is expected. The combination of high temperatures and high humidity will create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. The 1 p.m. observation in Washington. At Reagan National Airport, fair skies. The temperature was 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or 35 degrees Celsius. Dew point 77. Humidity was 55%, producing a heat index of 109. Winds were south at 15 miles an hour and the barometric pressure was 29.92 inches or 1,013.2 millibars and falling. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At BWI Airport, mostly sunny skies. Temperature 94 with a heat index of 105. Wind southwest at 8 miles an hour. At Charlottesville, fair skies. 94 with a heat index of 105. At Dulles Airport, it was fair. Visibility 10 miles. Temperature was 95 degrees, dew point 74. And the pressure was 29.93 inches and falling. At Fredericksburg, visibility 10 miles. Temperature was 95 degrees, dew point 78. Wind was southwest at 10 miles an hour. And the pressure was 20.